Hello and welcome to my site, my channel on YouTube. And what I do is I do history videos and I do original videos, and part of what I do is original. I might go to archives looking for information. I used to seek out witnesses, although that, as far as the Second World War is concerned, is no longer really possible. And mind you, seeking out witness testimony is also possible. But mind you, one thing I do quite a lot, and you'll see this on this channel, I've been to a number of graveyards. Sometimes I'll talk about the victims of the war, so above all I do this in Germany and Poland, and then I talk about the battles and the suffering that they would have gone through. But other times I come and find those responsible for the Nazi regime. For example, I did this at Berchtesgaden Old Cemetery, got videos from there, and from Bayreuth Cemetery. Now today I'm in Limburg and the Lahn, and I came here. I knew the dates, I knew what the stone looked like, but for some reason I can't explain why I was drawn here to this character here, Heinz Wolf, Nazi murderer. Well, he was a judicial murderer, just the same as Roland Freisler was, or many others. Where he worked was in the Free City of Danzig, the occupied Free City of Danzig, occupied on the 1st of September 1939. Now, I appreciate that the Nazis actually did win the elections and won fairly the elections of 1933. I'm not disputing that. As far as Danzig, I am disputing that as far as Germany was concerned, but as far as Danzig was concerned, I'm not disputing it. I am disputing the 1935 elections, but that's another thing. I came here to see this character here. Now, I spent a lot of time in Gdansk, and I've done a number of videos on it, and above all, not just the beginning of the Second World War, the events of the 1st of September 1939, the battle for the Polish post office, etc. But and maybe it's this is what brought me here, and to this character here, who was, whereas it was his boss, Kurt Boder, who condemned to death the defenders of the Gdansk post office against all legal regulations, laws, whatever. And it's actually to stand here and sort of at this character's grave, and actually I'm feeling really and truly wound up at this moment. Anyway, I've done longer videos, so if you're interested, click on the link and you can find out more. Thanks for watching.